Good morning students, welcome to maths class. Today we are doing worksheet 3 of unit 8 with the same simplification rule D mass. Question number 1 in worksheet 3 is simplify the following numerical expressions. The questions are exactly same as we have done in worksheet 1 and 2, but in worksheet 1 the questions were of whole number. In worksheet 2 we did the questions of fractions, and now in worksheet 3 the same concept will be followed in case of decimal numbers. Here the first part is 1.1 plus 2.5 minus 1.5. As the numerical expression is with two signs, plus and minus, so what will we do? First of all, we will solve the plus sign. 1.1 plus 2.5, we know how to add two decimal numbers. If you can't add orally, you can check. Okay, you can do it by arranging in columns, but that will be in your rough work. Now for subtraction, it will be 2.1. This is the answer. Okay, let's move to B part. 2.3 plus 1.2 multiply 0.5 minus 0.9. So plus multiply minus. Which operation will be solved first? Multiply. Okay. So 1.2 multiply 0.5. 12 5s are 60. Then mark the point. 1 and 2 digits are after decimals. So 1, 2. By leaving 2 digits, mark the point and write 1, 0. Minus 0.9. Okay. When we will add these two numbers, it will be 2.90. We can also skip this 0, as 0 in the end after decimal doesn't have any meaning. So now 2.9 minus 0.9, it will be 2.0. And if there is only 0 after decimal, we can leave that 0 to get the answer only number 2. Okay, come to its C part. Here 28.9 minus 20.8 plus 3.9. Do you remember such kind of questions? When the statement is with sign of plus and minus, and the minus sign is before the sign of addition, then what to do in such kind of questions? We just rearrange the numbers. 28.9 plus 3.9 minus 20.8. Okay, this question you will do on your own. Come to next D part of the question. 5.3 plus 6 multiply 0.05 minus 2.1. Firstly we will solve multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. This question also you will do on your own. When we multiply 6 5s are 30. By leaving 2 digits from the end, it will be this. Then add this, after that subtract this. Okay, do this question on your own. Come to next E part. The question is 2.5 divides 5 multiply 0.4 plus 2. Here the sign of division is given. So first of all, divide. 2.5 divides 5. Beta, in case of division of decimal numbers, if you are unable to solve it orally, you can check. Okay, you can check by long division. It's better to check it by this method. As we have done in unit 7, the number before point is 2, which cannot be divided by 5. So 5 zeros are 0, 2 will left. 5 will come down, point will go to the quotient. 5 5s are 25, 0 is the remainder, and what is the quotient? 0.5. So here we will directly write 0.5. Okay, multiply 0.4 plus 2. Now the turn is of multiplication. 5 4s are 20. The digits after decimals are 1, 2. So 1, 2, 0, 0.20 plus 2. Okay. Now there is no point in 2, it means the point is at the end. So for your convenience, you can mark the point here and write it as 2.0. And when we check the addition, it will be 0.20 plus 2.0. What will be the sum? 0, 2, 2. We can leave this 0. The answer will be 2.2. Okay, this is the E part of the question. Come to next. Here 3.6 divides 0.9. Multiply 0.5 minus 2. Firstly, division sign will be solved. But when both the numbers are in of decimal form, then how to divide? Tell me how to divide? By converting them into fractions. Yes. So we can check it at a side. 3.6 divides 0.9. We can show this step in the question. Okay. Remove the decimal. Then division sign will be converted to multiplication. 10 cancels with 10. 9 ones are 9 fours are. This is 4. Multiply 1 4. 1 ones are 1. So this is equals to 4. Okay. So directly I have written here 4 multiply 0.5 minus 2, then multiplication, then 2.0 means 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay. This completes our worksheet 3 of unit 8. Now your homework is complete and revise worksheet 3 of unit 8. Thank you.